It's my favorite time of the month again. It's Knife a Month time. If you like what you see in this video, go over to Knife a Month and use code SPRING to get 50% off your first box. This month, Knife a Month sent me an M-TEC and a Stinger. Let's check out what they sent. First of all, the Stinger. My first impression on this one is I love the color. It's got a nice blue plastic grip and the rest of it is like a black stone wash. Got your classic window breaker seatbelt cutter, a nice solid serrated blade. This is the perfect kind of knife to just throw into your survival bag. I'm really digging the M-TEC though this month. Again, I love the color. It's kind of like a blue-green metallic finish. Nice stainless steel blade with no serration. So this is something I would daily carry every day. Go check out Knife a Month, give them some love. They're a long-time sponsor of me. Where else are you going to get cool knives sent to your house every single month?